Hello everyone, welcome back. iOS 16.5 new beta is available for download. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get iOS 16.5 latest beta version on iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to launch the Safari browser, and in Google we have to search for beta profiles. Then we are going to use the first link. After loading the page, you will get this interface of the website. Before we go, we have to check the device compatibility list and then tap iOS 16. On the next page, we have to tap on install profile, then tap install. A pop-up window will appear and we have to tap on allow. Close, minimize the Safari browser and launch settings. Profile downloaded. Install top right corner. Put iPhone passcode. Install. If you want to restart, tap on restart. Otherwise, leave it as it is and tap not now. Now tap done. Now go back to settings and general, tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS 16.45 beta profile. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.